Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Ranger remote battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple task is straightforward and should only take a few minutes of your time. Having the right tools ready makes the process smooth and efficient, getting your remote working again quickly. Now let's open the remote. Look for a small notch, usually on the side or bottom edge of the remote's casing. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly to pry the two halves of the remote apart. Be careful not to use excessive force, as the plastic can be delicate. The case should separate with a soft click, revealing the internal components. With the remote open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert your new CR 2032 battery into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your remote. Finally, it's time to reassemble your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms the remote is securely closed. Test your remote to ensure it's working correctly with your Ford Ranger. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.